Here we have a 68 plate Ford Transit 280 Limited. Now this vehicle comes with the LED daytime running headlights. We also have the magnetic grey exterior paintwork, 16-inch gloss black wheels. We also have the mud flaps as well, colour coded door handles and door mirrors. We also have the black trim around the windows. We have front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle with a visual display inside. Coming around to the rear, you'll also find the Transit custom badging on the doors. If you just open up one of the rear doors, have a look in the back, you can see just there, plenty of space. We do have the wood panelling as well. Just close that door and then make our way back round to the driver's side. You'll find we are free from any major marks or scratches. And if you take a look at the interior, just coming into the front, you can see we have the cloth seats. Both of these outer seats are heated. We do have the 3 seats, one in the middle, which has a foldable armrest with cup holders inside. We also have the electric windows and electric mirrors, automatic lights down here, yet another cup holder there and there. We also have the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking the seat inside, you'll find we have the digital screen in the centre of the dashboard. If you put a clutch down and turn the vehicle on, we then have the cruise control and speedometer here on the left hand side. We also have the phone connectivity buttons on the right. Free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We also have the digital speedometer on the screen. Main entertainment screen just here in the centre. Plenty of features on here. We've just seen on the photos. It's currently on the home screen, but if you go on to audio, then you'll find we have the radio stations. We also have the Bluetooth audio as well. Bluetooth phone connectivity for phone calls. We have the mobile apps, phone connectivity. Going on to the settings, you'll find further features which we can scroll through. You'll also find the Apple CarPlay just there as well. Now getting further down, you'll also find we have the climate control, the ice-cold air conditioning. We do also have heated seats as well either side, all working as they should do. USB port and a 12-volt connectivity, 6-speed manual gearbox, which if you put it into reverse, then you'll find the parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into neutral, we also have another cup holder, which can be folded away like so. Manual handbrake down here. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with a free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.